Hi, family. Happy Friday. Um, I just wanted to talk to you guys about detoxing, fasting tips. It was heavy on my heart the last video that I made. With Tuesdays with telling you guys about fasting. It was just heavy on my heart. Just going back and forth, wondering what to talk to you guys about. But I just wanted to go over on fasting and just tell you how important it is to cleanse, and not trying to sell you anything, but it's very critical to fast. It's very critical to detox. It's very, very critical that you just do a cleanse. Even if you just drink water, rest, rest in your body. You definitely need it. Just was bothering me, and I was like, just let me just be real, because it's no joke. Your body, oh my gosh, your organs is crying. Believe it or not, your organs are crying. Your body is screaming, telling you, what are you eating? What is this? What is this process? can I get can I get something natural this week? Your body is screaming. If you're getting like blemishes, if you're getting just anything, irritations, if your stomach's jacked up, if your high blood pressure going up and down, if they say you got blood pressure, if they saying you pre-diabetes, come on now. Guys, I just want you to love on yourself. I just want you to think about the best reason why you should detox or just cleanse or just do a fast. You could do either one. It's totally up to you. Believe me, it's totally up to you. Just same reason why I'm gonna say it again. When you go into the hospital, the first thing they do, take you off all foods, and then when you leave, they say, "Up, go back to the same diet." Or when you're there a little bit longer, they say, "Up." They're on a liquid only diet, or they'll say no fat diet, or say something. They'll tell you, they'll break it down. They telling you that for a reason. And same thing I'm telling you. You need to fast. You need either do a detox. You need to do something. Either you do juicing. You could do a juice to where you rest in your liver. You look, your liver is going 24/7. Your brain is going 24/7. That's the main reason why I want you to sleep. Main reason why I want you to rest. Get 6 to 7 hours. It's the main thing. Same thing with detoxing. Detoxing. I'm just putting you back into a baby state when a baby only doing is drinking. Just drinking, 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 and pooping. You ever wonder why baby always poop? Your body needs to get rid of so much poop. It's the main reason why I want you to detox and cleanse. I want you to get your colon right. That's my area, to get your colon right. You definitely need that colon tight. You need to get it cleaned out and good blood. You want good blood. So that's the main reason why I want you to get your colon clean. Look, video's not going to be long, but it was just bothering me, and I was like, I just want to talk about detoxing or fasting or whatever you want to do it. Cut back on the meat. Look, try not to have meat for 2 days or a day. Try not to have carbs for a day. I bet you're going to see a change. And look, everything has sugar in it. Everything has sugar in it. I'm going to show you a slide where you can see about juice. I don't know if you've seen it the last slide, but it tells you about how much sugar is in what you're drinking. Sugar. That is like that is like crack for your brain, your body. If you detox and you start feeling like you sick, that's your body playing tricks on you. It wants you to go get some sugar. The best thing with that is take some raw honey. Yes, some the purest honey you can get. The one that's all clumped up, look like it just came from the stock, that came from that mass thing. I'll show a clip so you know what I'm talking about. Take just a little piece of that and put it in and take it down, and I bet your body changed because your mind is like, oh my gosh, I need sugar. But look, get off the white crack. I'm just being honest with you. But seriously, look, this video is just about detox and clear, just cleansing your body, just doing something, just putting your body at rest, getting back to the baby state where you're just drinking, 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 drinking. You could do water, you could do half water, half juice. I do my juice like that anyway. If somebody give me juice, I'll say I'll take three thirds three thirds water, one third juice. I do that because I don't want all that sugar. I don't want all that preservatives. I don't want all that extra stuff that I don't know what's in it. What's all this dyes and everything. I don't need that. I don't need all that chemicals in my body. I just want some plain water. That's me. But anyway, Detox. The reason why you want to detox, you just want to cleanse your body. If you got all these itises and all these pains, and look, I feel so, blessings go out to the ones who have chronic pain, blessings, inflammation, all that stuff. I I feel for you. Look, if you just do a detox, do a cleanse, your body will change. It'll ease back some of the stress. It ease back some of the pain. It ease back some of the inflammation. Just reset your body. Seriously, reset your body. Just some tips on detox. Just a couple of tips. Just a couple of tips. Think about what you're eating. If you get up in the morning, try to have some berries. Try to have some blueberries, raspberries. For lunch, try to have a salad. Don't put any dressing and stuff on it. You can do that for a detox. You can try if you want to do a lymphatics cleanse, if you want to do a liver detox, some lemon water, lime water, put a couple of cucumbers in there, put a little bit of mint. The best thing you can incorporate and get with the herbalist and try a detox for colon or whatever you want to do, whatever you think that, well, just think about this. If the doctor says you're pre-diabetic, then you know which cleanse you need. Same thing if they say something's wrong with, you got issues with your heart, clean out the plaque. If you got bubble gut and you think you got parasites and you got the skin, you got overgrowth of yeast, that tells you what kind of detox, what kind of cleanse, or what kind of fast you need. Those are the tips. Think about what you're eating. The tip one is, change what you're eating. Eat some berries. Try to do a um, a cleanse, which is doing berries. Yeah, I know I'm going all over the place, but I'm trying not to look at my notes. But I just want to talk to you guys. I just want to talk to you and just give it to you real. Give it to you real. I'd rather have natural juice, like just take some watermelon and put in a blender. There's your watermelon juice. Yes, you want to add a little bit of water, it's fine. Same thing with celery. Take some celery, clean it up well, put it in some water, put it in the refrigerator. You can juice it. Same thing with some ginger. I just did some ginger the other day. It's good to get a juicer, but you don't have to get a juicer. You could just get a blender and do the same thing. But if you can get a juicer, it's, oh my gosh, I love it. It's my, my daughter bought it, but I just use hers. But anyway, juice, juicing is good. It's another detox tip. Just juicing is great. But if you can, just do a water fast. I'm trying to tell you, that's the best thing. Try it for 24 hours. Just try it for 24 hours and you'll see a change. I'm trying to tell you, you'll see a change. And those are three tips. Do berries, and you could do salad at nighttime for the first tip. At nighttime, you could just do a shake. You can take, and look, 3 parts vegetable, 1 part juice. I mean, 1 part one fruit, and water, like with the Vitamix. I'm not promoting the Vitamix, but in a Vitamix, you just put water to the blade. So if you look at the blade, you put water to the blade. You just take 2 handfuls of vegetables and just maybe a half a cup of whatever fruit you like, and just blend it. If you can, you could put maybe a little bit of maybe pumpkin seeds, or if you could throw some, you know throw some ashwagandha. You can throw some, if you're looking at your liver, you got you got burdock, you got dandelion. You want to just, you could put some of that in there to spice it up. You can just put some garlic. Yes, I know it's going to be a little off. Put a little turmeric. It all depends on what you're doing. Definitely add some cilantro if you want to put a little moringa. This is just different suggestions what you could put in. You don't have to put all that together because it wouldn't taste good. But just try it. Just, try it. These are little different things you can do, and that could be your dinner. Those are stuff that you can detox. What you want to do is you want to cleanse your body. You want to get all that stuff that's in your gut, really all that unwaste, all that poop. We just needed to come out. You just need to come out. You just want to cleanse your body. You want to purify your body. Get yourself in a purified state. Another tip, you can juice. You can juice all day. Or, you can eat fruit all day, or you can eat vegetables all day. But it all depends on which vegetables. It all depends on, I'll throw some slides down there. But look, it's so much free information. It's so much free information. You can just go through any search engine you want. I'm not going to say any search engine. Go search engine. I'm going to show you different ideas where you got so many recipes, so many recipes. There's so much stuff on YouTube, so much information on YouTube telling you different things you can do. And look, it all depends on your age, your illnesses, what's wrong with you, the things that the doctors say could be wrong with you. Those are the areas you go in. Those are the areas you go and research and put down in the comments. Those are the areas that you want to detox. Those are areas that you want to cleanse. Those are the areas that you want to correct, because you want to be in a baby state. Yes, we do have some babies that come into the world sick. Yes, but we're talking about a healthy baby where it's no pain, no nothing. You want to get in that state. You want to get your body there to where you're eating, you're pooping, and you're urinating. So you want to make sure you get in that state. That's the state I want you to get in. That's the state that you need to be in. Because look, when you put something in your mouth, you definitely want to eliminate. Because if you're not eliminating, your body's absorbing. Your body's like, oh, I'm holding on to this. You do not want your body to hold on to nothing. So look, detox, fast, cleanse, whatever you think you need to do, do it. Look, and it's true. If you eat meat 4 times a year, if you're a vegetarian twice a year, if you're vegan once a year. But look, my next video is going to be talking about sun foods. Yes, eating foods straight from the sun. That's the type of another tip I did want to throw out for detox. Whatever the sun cooks. Yes, I am not talking about taking aluminum foil, put some meat in there and put it in the sun. No, we're talking about whatever comes through nature. Yes, through nature. That's the kind of fast that you need to be. That's the kind of foods that you need to be looking at. Carrots, strawberries, blueberries. We want stuff that's nature. Oranges, yes, it's okay. Squeeze it. If you want some juice, take an orange, squeeze it. If you want some lemonade, take a lemon and squeeze it. If you want to sweeten it up, yeah, it's going to probably taste funny. Put some cinnamon in there. Put just a little bit of honey, but make sure it's at the natural state. No preservatives, no oils. I didn't say any of that. You want to eliminate that. It's okay to have a little bit of vinegar. It's okay to have a little bit of vinegar, but you need to stay away from anything that's processed. And those are the definitely tips that I just want to tell you. And if I did miss something, look, I'm just speaking from the heart. It's Friday, just trying to make it an easy day. It's Herbalist Viola. Look, like, share, subscribe. Just want to, just give it to you real, just right off the cuff. So you guys have a great day and enjoy your weekend. Bye.